All right, wonderful people. Now, welcome back on top of the show. Now, our first story for today, we don't yarn news of our one graduate, blind graduate from inside Wibodo, Nigeria. Don't come outside talk, say, he's not ready to sell a kidney because he not get money to further in education for masters. Now, we're asking you, what do you feel about and you feel it's not the right step for this particular graduate to take? Let us know your own opinion. Follow us on top Twitter at Princess Obi, at Bettiana, at Oluwa Skimpy. Now, make we talk about this next story. We don't see a lot of celebrities come outside talk, say, any senator where they against the equality bill, actually they against the women. But how you go feel when a woman stand up and talk, say, it they very right for senators today against the bill? Well, make we find out whether not true with this one. Because activist and actress Foluke Daramola don't come outside talk, say, she dey in support of the equality bill, and talk, say, a man must always be above the woman. Now, in her own words, when she do interview with the New Telegraph on what she think about the bill, she talks, say, I did sorry, I don't think say men and women, they need to get equal rights for inside this case. I think say the male, they need to get more rights than the female. But it's supposed they on this with proportion, maybe on a ratio of 60 to 40. The reason why I think so now because say we women, we always tend to be extremely domineering. That one would be say we want to take the dominating part on top of the matter. We want to be boss, we want to be king, we want to be everything on top of the issue. It's say when it comes to issues, and sometimes we dey very, very sentimental. It's say men, they feel they very detailed, even though we as women, sometimes we not detailed. It says, so I go talk say, man not supposed to get equal rights with woman, and woman not supposed to get equal rights with man. But make the proportion not too much. Make it be 60-40. Man gets 60% right, and women get 40% right. When they ask her, say, but you're a woman. Don't you want to make the man and woman get the same right? She talks, say, even though I be woman rights activist, I still believe in the place of a woman and a man. The man is supposed to be a step ahead of the woman. You can never take that away. Now, make we talk about equal rights for both man and woman. You feel, say, it go ever get a time when a woman will get the same right with a man? Or make we just squash the idea of a woman having the same right with a man?
You know wetin I feel? When it comes to equal right, may we just take and we women, may we just take and men. We suppose not say yes, the men, they need to be above us. Then we can support waiting for look at the Amola talk 100%. The only part I know like that ratio part say 60-40. We don't necessarily need any ratio. If it be one step above, if it be 30 step above, depending on the issue where they at hand. Because every point in life, when you're going to see some kind of issues, the way person go need and the way be say man go and do more than women. I get some kind of issue too where be say woman go and do more better than man. Even we suppose know for inside house now between husband and wife. When it begin happen, say the wife self now begin to follow the husband drag headship position inside the house. We know say the begin happen because when they come past this kind of thing now, say they are today equal for anything. Okay, when they reach say to they drop money for rent, to they bring money down for cooking, to they do this one. Now the same money we go pay. As in shade the husband go drop 50,000, the wife go drop 50,000.
That's another thing again.
Yes. But now, because if we think and we go no say yes, now the man supposed to take this responsibility. So now why we won't begin the argue say maybe we get the same right? We not forget the same right because yes, then they above us every step of the way. Not be every, make I just correct myself for here, but for most step of the way. Because the point I be say nobody be island. For some certain things we be say them feel do better, we no feel do better. For some way we feel do better, they no feel do better. The husband and the men way they out there supposed to understand say for some things, they need to bow to the woman. No be say every point in time, then go they above. Anyone with them say, yes, woman feel actually do this one better than man, may them bow. And anyone with them say, man feel actually do better than woman, may the woman self just take them like that.
Okay.
You know, waiting for me, my own stance on this matter, and I say I buy the idea of Foluke Daramola. They talk when she talks, okay, women no need equal rights with the men. But my own issue be say no be say they can't shut the women up entirely, and then the women no go get voice. Now, right from time immemorial, it don't day on ground spiritually and culturally. Say the man go day above the woman. Now, women, we get a lot of gifts in terms of say, okay, we want help or we want to do things for inside the home and everything. But it will get to a point, if you not checkmate the woman, before you know, we will get plenty houseboy for inside families.
Very
and
true.
The houseboy are the husbands we they talk
Very
about.
true.
Because just like she talked, we women, we get the ability to be very, very domineering. Give us 1 inch, we don't go 1 mile. So that now why we need the men to put us, to checkmate us in that aspect. But say that we can't shut the women up. All that issue of say, okay, woman role now for inside kitchen, and that one me I know agree to. I don't even subscribe to them at all. But in the long run, I feel say that 60-40%, actually they're very okay.
I actually believe, say, why women, they always shut our mouth up. Now, even we women, now we cause them. Why am I saying this? Our mothers. I will start with our mothers. My papa never tell me one day, say, your role is in the kitchen. But right from when I did small, now my mom would tell me, say, come, your role is in the kitchen. Oh. You have to learn how to cook, oh, because when you get married, if you don't know how to cook, the husband will drive you. Oh. You have to learn how to clean. Oh. But I go see my brothers sit down for parlor, they watch TV. To them, it's their rights. Because now waiting that their parents don't actually bring them up. My auntie, if they cook yam for fire, you see the 1 pound them, they go tell say make the girl compound them. I go say, auntie, what about the boy? Say, no. It's the woman. The woman is supposed to be pounding the yam. I'm like, okay, how do you train this boy? You know they train them to cook, you know they train them to do anything. You just train them, say, come, your owner to sit down for parlor, they play computer game. Why the woman go there for inside kitchen? So we women too, we need to change the way we take, they tell our children, say, come, oh, your role is like this. The way you need to start to educate your pikin from as she's small, say, come, you have rights. You have a right to say you cannot do this or do that. Even your husband too need to do this. And we need to start to train the men too for inside housework. Because it's no longer the women anymore. We need to train the men for inside that work. You want to talk something?
I just want to add to what you talk, because when you talk, I remember one conversation where I actually get with one elderly woman for inside with Obodo, and she talked exactly the same thing. So when she was younger, her mother, they always tell her, say, okay, you need to cook, you need to do this, you need to do that. But a lot of things that the mother no teach her, and I say, okay, you need to be industrious. Okay, you need to be versatile.
Very
so that
true.
If anything happens, you go fit stand and support your husband. So at the same time, she realized, say, a lot of women know they teach their male children. So, okay, yes, you need to be compassionate towards women. You need to be caring and understanding. You need to also know that you're supposed to treat woman in a certain way where you say she go feel special, so that no matter what, because it be like the other day one pastor they talk say if you fit make a woman change her name to become your wife, to answer your name. Say you make her leave her papa house. Say you no guarantee you no fit tell that woman to do. So in that same vein, by the time you train these men and you train these women in the way it's supposed to be, train them in everything. Don't be say, they go train women so they're compassionate, because when you date someone, then go buy the baby for the woman and then go buy ball for the boy. Now then they tell the boy, say in everything you need to be strong. But sometimes, and they forget, say these men, sometimes the weak women, they come too. Now then they make them feel like, say those points in their life where then they're weak, now something to they're ashamed of. Whereas not be really something to they're ashamed of, because we all get emotions. We need to be expressed at one point or the other in our lives.
Let me just say something about this equality bill, because in as much as the years, plenty of women, they come outside shall say, why would a man say we should not be equal? We women, we now also be the issue, Now, you don't ever see a woman where lost her husband. Now, men, they come beat the woman or tell the woman, say, you must drink the water. No. Now, women, the fellows, maybe the man's sister, or the man mother, or the man auntie, now they drag the wife, come outside, barb her hair, and tell her, say, come, you go sleep with this dead body, or you go drink the water. Now, fellow women, they do am culture. And they go tell you, say, na culture. Why the men not they come outside do them? Now, women, they do them. Now, this fellow women, too, now, if woman come up for the husband house, they go talk, say, that woman is a woman. They sell her body. You never see when man go sit down, they judge the woman. Now, we women, they judge ourselves. But if a man come up for the house, they go say, the woman was wicked. She wasn't taking care of the man well. She treats the man anyhow. But if not the woman come out, they'll say, she not poor person. She don't rot sin. She just want to do outside. So now we women, they actually do ourselves. So that's now why I go with this actress 100%. I go with her. Let's say we sign the equality bill now. It means, say, if I marry man, normally the right of the man is to take care of the house, maybe like house rent and some other things. Me and the man can share the bill.
And the truth about the matter is, a lot of women never ready for that kind of responsibility, because women, especially for inside the border Nigeria, they still they have that mentality to say, okay, the men, if anybody asks me out on a date, now this man supposed to pay the bills, now he's supposed to come pick me for right day, now he's supposed to give me cab fare. But now they fight for equality bill. You don't they ready to carry the responsibility of that equality where they fight for.
Beautiful. Thank you very much for that one. So I beg, make we take them easy with this equality bill before we actually come outside the shout. And women too, I need to check on ourselves, because now we be our own problem. We need to actually check ourselves. All right, we're going to buy a small break. Now, when we come back after the break, we go yarn you the reward where Governor Ambo, they don't give policemen, where return 5 million. What do you go do if you see 10 million for grant? Will you return it, or you go chocolate and for inside your pocket?
Food for thought.
We go touch you that story. And also, we go yarn you of the DELSU best graduating students, where they don't offer automatic employment.
I tell you, say my state.
Happy?
Oh, no.
I know.
Delta State. Twali.
Should we be happy when they come back? I better stay with us.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.